What if the downloaded application is deleted and there is no other way for us to use it or install it to our Android TV or Fire TV? What are we going to do? What application can we use as a good replacement for the downloaded application? This is something I thought about the other day and I realized that there is no application that is as reliable as a downloader, and we Android TV users are so dependent on downloader that we don't even think of a replacement. So what if downloader stops working and there is no other way for us to install to our Android TV? What application can we use as a replacement? I thought about this and there's an application I've used in the past. It is not as good as Downloader, but it is the closest thing to Downloader that I have seen as an Android TV user, and that's what I'm about to show you in this video. So if you find the application useful and you like this video, make sure to subscribe and share the video for more important videos like this one. Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Sling TV Box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add another app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue. So as I said, downloader, we are so dependent on it that most of the times we don't even think about other alternatives. But this application I'm about to share with you could be an alternative to downloader. Now it is not as close to being important as downloader or being navigable or being so easy to use as downloader, but at least it does the job. So this application is simply the TVBro application. So for instance, let's start by installing it, and we are going to go through it to see how we can use it as an alternative to a downloader application. So to install TVBro, we can do the same, just like we do in installing downloader. Go over to our browser. Since I don't have Play Store, go over to our browser. We'll search for it here. So we simply just type TVBro. And once you type this, you can see in my suggestion here that this is the TVBro application. So I'm just going to go over here and choose this option that says TVBro app and go through it. So here's the application. It, thank God, is on Google Play Store. So you just click on it once and you can install it to your Android TV. So TVBro, as I said, it is not as good as downloader, but I believe this is one of the closest alternative application to the Google Play Store that I have seen or I have used. So we're going to go through it, we're going to use it, and I'm going to show you how it could be useful given that one day the download application is not more accessible, which I believe that day is not going to come. But let's just have this kind of applications in mind. So just wait for the applications to quickly install to our Android TV, and then we can go ahead and use it on our Android TV to get applications or to compare it to the download application. Now that the application has installed to Android TV, we just go ahead and launch it. And TVBro stands for TV browser. That bro there is just a short form for browser. And as I said, I have used this application before and it's very good. Not as compared to downloader, but also it is quite good. Now once you go over here, you'll be asked to choose your search engine, which here the default search engine is Google. So you can go over here and choose Google as your default search engine. Also, you can go over to the settings of the application here, and then you choose your default. So you can come over here, your web browser engine, temporary settings. You can choose here what you want. You can choose Gecko View or Web View. The Web View is what is already there. And if you don't like Google, you can change your search engine. But for me, Google is the best. And then you can change any other settings that you want. So this is the TVBro browser, and this is how it looks like once you come over here to the first time. Now, how can you install applications? Now, on downloader, we can install go to particular websites by just typing codes, but that is not possible on TVBro so far. With TVBro, if you want to go somewhere, you have to type the real name of the application. Let's say I want to install an application like HP Player. I have to go over here and I type in the name of the application I want to download, like HP Player. And I search, and once I search, now I'm going to receive the results that I found here. Like that's the HB player that can install from Google Play. There are other options on the internet that can install this particular application, like up to down. Now, up to down is one of my favorite third-party source for applications because it is free and also it doesn't have lots of limitations like Google Play Store. So up to down, if there is no Google Play Store, you can always use go up to down to install application. So with TVBro, you can install application by searching the name of the application, or you can go out to some websites that have many applications that we need on our Android TV, like the Fire TV Sticks website. You can come over here, for instance, like so I believe as an Android TV user, you know this website, firetvsticks.com, because it has most of the applications that we need on an Android TV. So with TV Bro, I can go out to websites like this and I can use this website to install applications that I want. So just go over here and you scroll down, and this is created by Tanya on YouTube. You can check her out. She's another creator on Android TV and Fire TV. So you can go over here and you can install most applications that you want on your Android TV. So you can go over here, you go over to the option that says downloads, and then you're going to go to lots of categories. So if we assume that downloader waits for one day and it's not yet no more available or no more accessible, then applications like TV Pro can be some good alternatives. Now, as I keep on saying, even though they are not as smooth as downloader, but they're going to help us do the job. So as you go back to download home here on this website, you're going to see lots of categories of applications that you can go to. So that lots of them. So for instance, you can just go to a particular category like app stores, for instance. You're going to install that you are going to see app stores here that you can install. You can also go to any other category like let's say launchers and or media players. The reason I'm avoiding some categories is because YouTube doesn't allow me to show some videos to you. So if I come out to an option like this, I can install an application like media on or Koji. If I want to install Koji, let's go over to it. I click on it once and I come down to the option that says download here. So if I want to install another application, let's say a media player like VLC, I go over to download. I go over to the category options here, and I just want to show you how to use TVBro to install applications from this website. So I go over to this category and I want to install, let's say, the VLC player. Where is it? Should be somewhere here. So here is it, the VLC media player. I go over here, I click on it once. It's going to bring me to a download page of the VLC media player. Just scroll down a little bit and download on Fire or Android TV. So I click on this option here, and then it's just going to start downloading, just like on downloader. Now on downloader, you're going to see it downloading, but here you want to see if an application is downloading, you scroll to the option here that says download, you click on it, and you see here's it over here downloading. Once it's done downloading, just go ahead and click and install. And this is how TV Pro works. It's not as smooth as downloader. I keep saying this, it's not as efficient or as good as downloader, but assuming that downloader is not more available, which I don't want that day to ever come, TV Bro can be a good alternative to use. So this is it about TV Bro, and it's very good. Once you're done, and just click on APK here and install. I already have VLC on my Android TV, so I can go ahead to install it again. So TV Bro can be a good alternative to downloader. So that's it about this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video for more important videos like this.